Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you about income tax. Taxes are something that almost every working adult has to deal with, yet many people don't fully understand how they work. By the end of this presentation, you'll understand what income taxes are, why we pay them, how tax brackets work, the difference between deductions and credits, and the basic process of doing your income taxes. Let me start with a question. Have you ever looked at a paycheck and wondered why it was smaller than you expected? That's because part of your earnings are withheld for taxes. Understanding taxes helps you know where your money is going and how to file your individual income taxes. Income tax is money that individuals pay to the government based on the income that they earn. This includes wages, salaries, self-employment income, and some investment earnings. Employers usually withhold federal income tax from each check. At the end of the year, you file a tax return to determine whether you paid too much, too little, or exactly the right amount. Many people wonder where their tax dollars actually go. Taxes help fund public services that we use every day. They pay for schools, highways, police departments, military defense, Social Security, Medicare, and many other government programs. Although people may disagree about how taxes are spent, these services depend on tax revenue. One common misunderstanding is that moving into a higher tax bracket means all of your income is taxed at a higher rate. That's actually not true. The United States uses a progressive tax system. This means only the portion of your income that falls within the higher tax bracket is taxed at that higher rate. Another important concept is understanding deductions and credits. A tax deduction reduces the amount of income that is taxed. A tax credit is even more valuable because it directly reduces the amount of taxes you owe. Filing taxes follows several basic steps. First, you receive tax documents from your employer, such as your W-2s. Next, you complete Form 1040, which is the main federal tax return. Then you claim any deductions or credits that apply to you. Finally, you submit the return to the IRS. Depending on how much tax was already withheld, you may receive a refund or need to pay additional taxes. Many tax problems can be avoided by being careful. Common mistakes include filing late, forgetting to report income, entering incorrect personal information, or making math errors. Many people also miss deductions or tax credits that could reduce the amount of money that they owe or increase their refund. Taking your time and reviewing your return carefully can help prevent these mistakes. To summarize, income taxes are an important part of our financial system. They help pay for essential public services, and everyone who earns income should understand how they work. The differences between deductions and credits are the basic filing process. By understanding these concepts, now you're better prepared when it's time to file your own taxes. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed this presentation.